Welcome. In front of me is a Air 2 Ultra, and today I'll show you how you can import contacts from your SIM card to the device. So to get started, you'll want to open up the standalone contact application, which looks like this, right here as well. And I'm not going to be signing in. So next, once you have your contacts open, navigate to Fix and Manage, and then select Manage SIM. This will in turn show you all the contacts that are located on your SIM card. For me, that's just 5 contacts. And typically you would have a bit of a drop-down menu happening somewhere like right here, where it would by default most likely show you your Google account if you have one signed in, which most people do. I don't. In any case, from that drop menu, you can also choose where you will import your contacts to. Like I said, default is the Google account. If you have multiple, you can choose between those, or you can also select the device as an option. For me, because there's no accounts, it automatically defaults to the device itself and doesn't give me any kind of options, as this is the only option I can import to. Now, you might also see some contacts that are grayed out for you and deselected. Those are the contacts that already exist on the location that you're trying to import them to. So the device is just stopping you from duplicating. Additionally, you can deselect contacts that you don't want, and from there, click on Import. This will import all selected contacts, and when you go back to your contacts list, you should be able to see them right over here. Now, it also might not be the case. If you don't see the contacts that you have imported, you might need to click right here where I have the icon of a phone. You might have something else visible, but no matter what you have there, once you click on that button, it will allow you to choose where the phone is displaying contacts from. For me, that's the device. I can also choose SIM, and additionally, you most likely see something like your Google accounts here as well as an option, so you can choose which one you want. So anyway, with that being said, hopefully you found this very helpful, and if you did, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.